Fergus makes it easy to stay on top of outstanding payments with automated overdue invoice reminders. Say goodbye to manually chasing invoices and let Fergus do the work for you. To get started, click the profile icon in the top right corner and go to Settings. From there, navigate to Reminders in the menu on the left. To activate overdue invoice reminders, enable either SMS, email, or both. If you plan to use SMS reminders, make sure SMS is set up by clicking the SMS settings button at the top and following the steps. Once reminders are enabled, choose how often they should be sent. Click the drop-down menu and select the timing for your reminders, such as on the due date or 7 days overdue and so on. Fergus will automatically take care of the rest. And that's it, your overdue invoice reminders are now ready to go. Handy tip: if you'd like to disable reminders for a particular customer, it's easy to do. Just head to the job summary in the job card and click the pencil icon to edit the customer's details. Scroll to the bottom of the page and you'll find an option to disable invoice reminders for that customer. You can also find your customers by heading to the Customer tab at the top of Fergus, clicking on the customer name, and selecting the pencil icon as well. If you have any questions or need assistance, our support team is here to help.